Hello, this is Lou from Enormous Mobile Specialties in Erie, Pennsylvania. Today we have a 2018 4Runner. We installed our factory start version 5 on this vehicle. You can press the lock button 3 times on the Toyota remote control. The vehicle will start up, it'll run, turn on the heat, and it will shut off automatically in about 15 minutes. Or you can pick up the Toyota remote control, press the lock button down 3 times, and you can shut off the vehicle if you would like. The range of this is only about 100 feet. It's only going to work as far as a Toyota remote is going to let it. This client opted to get our drone mobile smartphone app added to their phone. Now they can start up their 4Runner from miles and miles away. This is Lou from Enormous in Erie. Thanks for watching.